Traders, Anthony here. We're looking at the NAS100. There's a few things about this chart. Let's just quickly go out to the daily. We've traded up into, we've got this level through here. Big level if we grab this. And we got these lows back in here. We could pull that through. We can see that's a bit of a level. Okay, it's acted as support. Here, resistance. So we'll call the base of this 4-hour distribution a key level here. And that's on the daily, right? So we'll just mark that up as a daily key level. In fact, what we can do, level daily, let me just go out to, let's grab a line chart. I'm going to pick up, see this little hiccup over here? It's going to grab that low. All the yellow lines you see are daily. The line chart takes out candle wick, so that'll be a candle body that we're looking at there. Back to our candles, and now we've got this range, and it happens to coincide with the high of this candle here, previous daily high. Also on the daily time frame, this green candle, this is a daily imbalance all the way back down into here. I'm going to call that a 1D or 4H and a daily. Market's looking for two things. It's looking for liquidity and it's looking to rebalance. Now here's the thing. See up here? Be careful, guys, it's Friday. Liquidity pool. Now, they've already spiked it up into here. Is that enough to enable them to short it, to take it back down through here, where there's another significant liquidity pool resting? See, we've got retail traders jumping in galore, buying, and we have a ton of stop losses resting under here. Stops under, they've got stops above. They wick up, take that out. Do they wick it up a bit further? That's my question. It's Friday, and the thing that you're going to find with Fridays, more often than not, they will take this in a direction that most people are not expecting. Yeah, I mean, look, we've got this range through here, and it's built liquidity above and below. They've taken it up. They've cracked this daily. So I'm wondering whether that's enough for this to roll over here and give us a decent trade back down through here. I'm looking for a counter trend. Now that's risky. What you could do is counter trend trade, set up a target in around this red candle here, this balance area. So that would be my target for a counter trend. If that's the case, and this does pick up momentum, and, you know, like you've got a position, let's just say that's your thing, something like that. This picks up a bit of momentum, travels south. Well, you could always follow it down with your stop loss to reduce your risk. Because I really, you know, I'm very cautious. Be careful. It's Friday. They could trap short traders in here and take it up into here. And then we've got this 4-hour bearish distribution level up in here, you know, and then do we get the trades? So just be careful. I mean, you might want to, like if you're going to think about entering, you could even widen your stop loss and just give it a bit of room to breathe. Go in with a small position. Just be really, really careful. You know, I mean, look, I won't even be trading this today. We've got non-farm payroll tonight. And you don't want to get stuck negative and run into NFP. That could be disastrous. But, you know, any of you kind of contemplating this, yeah, you know, like you could go for a short-term trade here and sort of exit the trade if you can before NFP. But the thing is, like if they take it up against you and you get caught, you know, then you're in trouble. So keep a good handle on risk. Make it a small position if you decide you want to play this short here. And if you get taken out, you don't want that to be a big deal. That's my take on that. The other thing with this is I am expecting this to, at some stage, come back down through here. We've got this imbalance. And look, you know, you can see my line here. I'd be looking for an entry point long. Let me just get rid of that. My buy would be a long position. I'd be setting up or looking to, you know, get involved down in here. Something like that. So I would love to see that play out. So guys, I mean, that's pretty much it. Just be really careful today. And make sure you click the links below. Join my Telegram group. I'd love to see you in there. I think possibly, you know, we get that out of it and then maybe something like that. Okay guys, that's my take on the NAS100. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading. Click the links below. See you in the next one.